Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon and here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Now scroll down and we have the app notifications and incoming calls. First let's tap on app notifications. If you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will need to tap on OK right here. It will redirect you to the device app notifications. Here you need to find the Mi Fitness application, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can go back. And now we can turn on the app notifications, and once you turn them on, more options will appear. You can turn on and off the option to receive the notifications only when the screen on your phone is locked, to wake up the screen when you receive the notifications. You can also select which types of notifications should be sent to your smart band. We have option called sync all notifications. If you enable this option, it will basically redirect notifications from every app on your phone to your watch. But if you disable this option, you can tap on custom notifications and here you can select specific apps. So for example, let's say you want to see notifications only from like WhatsApp, Discord and stuff like that. Let's say I'm gonna enable Discord and tap on got it. And then we can tap on done. Okay, and once you're done with the app notifications, you can go back, and if you want to receive the notifications about calls, you can tap on incoming call right here, enable, allow the required permissions like this, and you can also enable the quick responses if you want to. You can edit them or add more by tapping on edit or add. You can also delay the alerts, so basically you can enable delay, tap on time, and here you can select the delay. And how it works is basically if somebody calls you on your phone, the app will wait, or rather the watch will wait the time you set, so for example 22 seconds, and then it will vibrate and display who's calling you. Okay, and once you're done turning the notifications on and setting them up, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna check if I'm logged in into Discord. I am not, so I'm gonna log in. And after I log in, I'm gonna send myself a message. Okay, so now we're gonna send myself, or rather I'm gonna send myself a message. As you can see, we got it on our phone and we should get it on our smart band, but we didn't. So I might know the solution for this. Basically, we need to go to our smart band and swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it. Here, find the option called notifications, and once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see, the option notify when the phone is locked is disabled. Oh no, this option, notify only when warned. My smart band is on the table, so if I enable this option, I won't receive the notifications. So if you take off your smart band and you want to receive the notifications anyway, you need to disable this option. And then we can go back and check again. So I'm gonna send myself another message. Now we're not getting the notification on the phone. Let's try turning on the do not disturb mode, then turning it off, checking the app. Okay. Okay, we got the notification on our phone. Okay, and we also got it on our smart band, as you can see. So, as you can see, it's working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.